everyone, I am going to demonstrate how to use the pattern today. I have bought Simplicity pattern and going to cut dress D. Every pattern has instructions. In the instructions it is demonstrated how to cut the patterns and how to stitch the dress together. It has usually the patterns have 2 pages. Front page is to how to cut the pattern out and how to lay it on the fabric, so you won't waste too much fabric. And the second page is how to stitch the dress together. You can, they are also explaining to you what kind of stitches you can use with your sewing machine. That's about the pattern and instructions about the patterns. The patterns look like that. When you open the pattern, you need to know what dress, what number or what letter you are going to use. As I said, my dress is D. So I am going to look for D dress or D pattern in each section or each panel. Usually the dress comes from the back and from the front and from the back. When you open your instructions, you need to find out where your dress is on the page. Our dress is D. It comes A, B, C, D. Next thing you need to look at how many panels they consist of. Our pieces comes in number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 6 panels that we need to cut out. Now I will close the pattern instruction and look at the actual panels on the big sheet of paper. As we have said, our panels comes from 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Panel 4 is right here next to me. It is looking a little bit confusing. You have way too many lines, you don't know what to cut, where to cut it. So let me just explain what to do. First of all, you need to know your size. The sizes are from 10, 12, 14, 14, 16, 18. I am trying to cut the size 10, which is the first panel, first line around the paper. Then you have lines across, 1, 2, 3, and then the bottom line. These lines indicates you the length of your dress. So if you are a short person, you need to have shorter dress. You cannot have it too long, otherwise it won't look right on you. So the length, this is the mini dress, knee-length dress, then it is just before the end of ankle dress, and then the length on the floor. The lines on this side are showing the pleats, and the little triangle lines shows the dots. So when you cut a pattern, you start from the beginning of the paper. And when you go around the dots, you can cut the dots out. When you place the pattern on the fabric, these notches, the little triangles, are your markers. So you know where to fold the fabric when you start stitching them. This is my panel number 4. Now we need to put it away and cut panel number 6, which is on this side of the... And again, I am going to cut size number 10, so notches number 10, and go around the whole way. But you need to be very careful, as these sizes are very confusing over here. So now size 10 underarm goes around, and then the very first outside line is the number 10. As you can see on the pattern, size 18, which is the biggest size, comes first on this side, but is the last on from the top. So don't get confused, don't cut it out, because then you will lose like 1 inch of fabric, which is quite a lot, and then the fabric might pull, or the garment might pull from on one side or the other side. So just be very careful when you cut the pattern. When you look at the pattern, I got new notches over here, which is saying different sizes, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. You need to cut only one notch, the one that is your size. Mine is size 10, so you need to cut notch number 10. And in the same way, you will cut the rest of the patterns. We got 4 and 6, and then on different papers we got the rest of the patterns.